Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn boots on bars. Beginner dance, 32 counts, 2 walls, 2 restarts, wall 4 and wall 8 after 16 counts. Preview of the steps. Here we go. Grapevine to the right, together, heel, toe, heel, hitch, circle your hips, quarter, pivot, and a kickball change, and a V, step, rock, recover, rock, half turn, quarter turn, behind side cross, toe and toe and toe, flick. Start again. That's 32 counts. Let's break it down. First 8, 5, 6, 7 with the grapevine, right, behind, right, put your weight on it. We're going to swivel our heels, heel, toes, heel, pick up your right foot and hitch in front. A little bit crossed if you can. Okay, and the counts look like this, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hitch. Yes. Second set of 8, your right foot's hitched in the front, put your weight on it and circle your hips to all the way around back on your right. So all your weight's on your right. Then you do the same thing to the left. Circle, ending up with all your weight on your left hip. Then your right foot does a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, quarter pivot facing 9 o'clock and a kickball change or a kick step step. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Third set of 8. A V step. On the floor, we make a V. We go right, left, or out, in. Awesome. So the third set of 8 is a V and a rock, recover, forward, rock, recover. Now we're going to do a shuffle, triple step turn over our right shoulder, half turn. So we triple step. You can think of it as rock, recover, quarter, half. Quarter and a quarter. So we just did, so the third set of 8 is the V. Out, in, rock, recover, triple step, or a shuffle, whichever works in your brain, whichever works for you. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fourth set of 8. We're facing this, the 3 o'clock. We're going to step forward on our left and do a quarter pivot to the 6 o'clock. So we just turned a quarter and a behind side cross with the left foot, behind side cross, point right, point left, point right with a flick. So we just did our triple step. Left foot's free, all your weight's on your right, quarter, pivot, and a behind side cross, point and point and point, flick. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. That's it. Let's go through it from the top, all the steps first, and then the counts, and then we'll talk about the restarts. Here we go, from the top with words. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we vine to the right, together, heel, toe, heel, hitch, circle your hips, quarter, pivot, and a kickball change, and a V, in, and a rock, recover, half turn, quarter, pivot, behind side cross, point and point and point, flick. With counts, boots on bars. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And the fun part, boots on bars, are 2 restarts, wall 4 and wall 8. So it starts as a 2-wall dance. So we always start facing here, 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 here. But the restarts put us facing these walls as our main 2 walls, these walls as our main walls. But don't let that confuse you. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first restart is facing the 6 o'clock wall. We do 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Restart. Now we're facing this wall. And this becomes, now these 2 are our main walls. So we restart here, and then the next one is on wall 8. So this is now 5, 6, 7, 8. So our next restart will start here, but we won't be facing it when we restart. So it'll look like this, 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hitch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. We restart here. Now we're back on our home walls, if that makes any sense. Just 2 of them. You can hear it in the music. Have fun. Most important, thank you for joining me. I'll see you on the dance floor. Bye.